Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Windows was unable to format USB drive. So let's get started and see how you can fix this error. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to this file explorer here. Then I'm gonna click on this PC. After that we're gonna go to our volume that cannot be fixed, cannot be formatted. Just make sure it works. Now how you can check it is right click on your USB drive here and click on properties, and here we're gonna go on the hardware, and here make sure you select the USB drive that you want to fix. So here is my USB drive that I want to fix. As you can see here, this device is working properly. Make sure this device status, it says this device is working properly, otherwise maybe it's fault on the hardware on your actual USB drive. So just make sure it works. So we're gonna click here on OK. Now we're gonna go to start. Here we're gonna type on start, we're gonna go and type in CMD, and we're gonna click on this command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator, and we're gonna click here on yes, and then here we're gonna type in disk part like this, and we're gonna wait until it says here disk part, and now we're gonna type in list disk, press on enter, and here you will have all of your disks available, including your HDD and SSD drives. So we are only interested in our USB drive here, which is this one. By looking at the size of the USB drive here, I recognize is this one, 58 gigabytes, this one, because other ones, this one has 1 terabyte almost, this one is 30 gigabytes and this is 60 gigabytes. So I want this one, I want the 60 gigabytes to format. Now we're gonna click here. Now here we're gonna type in select disk. This is the one to format. Is just press on number 1 because it goes 0, 1, 2, and this is the one that we need. For me, that's the one. And press on enter. Now after the disk one is now selected disk, make sure it says it's selected the disk that you want to format. And here we're gonna type in now clean, press on enter, and now as you can see it formatted in NTFS file here, NTFS format. Close this CMD. We're gonna go right click on our start and go on disk management, our disk drive, which is right here, disk 1, it's this one. As you can see here, I forgot to this tip, you can also look here which disk number is it. As you can see here again is disk 1, this one is here. You can even see the names right here if you're not sure which to choose. So just make sure you choose your USB and not choose your HDD or SSD, because it will delete everything from it. So make sure you only select on the disk part, you only select the disk that you only need to format in case the USB drive for us here. This will not delete any Windows files if you selected the USB drive, of course. Right click on this here on your USB here, new simple volume, and here we're gonna have this wizard here. Click on next, this wizard setup, then click again on next, and here you can choose the letter if you want. It doesn't really matter, just you can choose whichever letter you want. Now we'll change this to exFAT and click on next, and click again on next, and now as you can see it appeared our USB drive right here. Now if you want to format in another format, you can go again here and format, and you can choose another format if you want, for example NTFS or FAT32 or exFAT. So it depends what you need for for a purpose for what you need to use. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix the USB drive. As you can see here now, it's fixed and it's ready to use. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next video.